Like in the algebra of derivatives, previously we are saying addition, subtraction alone we are seeing. That is it. So whenever that comes, we just find the derivative separately and we multiply that, add or subtract accordingly. Okay. It comes for like more than one function, n functions also we can take. Suppose the function comes in product. Suppose the function comes in product. The product rule, or someone may say it is UV rule. So it is d by dx of uv, where u is the function of x, v is the function of x. Remember, we have done like u plus v. Yes, man, u plus v. U is a function of x, v is a function of x. Can you recall this? Or you want me to write this? D by dx of u plus or minus v. It is d by dx of u plus or minus d by dx of v. Remember? This is for addition. For product, what we have to do? Simple. We are going to derive by keeping one aside and the other we have to derive. Likewise, for both functions we have to give priority. See, I am keeping u aside, dv by dx, plus I am keeping v aside, du by dx. That is it. We will keep one thing as it is and we derive the other one, plus the other term, vice versa. So this one, how do we say, means it is like uv whole dash is equals bu dash plus uv dash, where this dash stands for derivative. Remember, f dash of x. Okay. Also, this should be remembered in the same order. That is the reason why is it so. Okay. That is the reason why it should be remembered in the same order. How I will recall this means, only v comes first. V stands for what? V stands for who? V means what? Man, V, myself. V comes first. Or else you may think like V together. That V. V comes first. Okay. So that should be, because you should not get confused in this. I am relating in a way that my name's first letter, that will come first, like I think. Okay. You may think like some other thing. Okay. Like V, like I said, right? W-E, that V. So V comes first, this is the order. Suppose more than one function, man. D by dx of u, v and w. All the three things are in product. Then what you have to do? The same rule. One by one we are going to derive. We are going to keep the remaining two as it is. See, u and v I am keeping it as it is, dw by dx. And u and w I am keeping as it is, dv by dx. We can change this anyone, okay? Like this term can go that way, this term, but the answer should be same. And after that, v and w stays together, du by dx. Got it? This happens for three functions. This is product rule. So in this, we may work out some example. First of all, how do you know when two functions are in product? That is very important. See the example. F of x is equals x square e power x. Now here what you may think? Square is there, e power x is there, easy question, directly you can answer. But the thing is, wait a minute. रुको जा रहा, समझ करो. Likewise, in between, addition or subtraction is there? No. Then what rule we have to apply? The product. Okay. So, see, if you are not able to follow this directly, you can name it like this is u, this is v. Likewise, you mark it in pencil and write the uv rule. F dash of x, that is equals uv whole dash. Uv whole dash means v dash u plus u dash v. Okay. So what is u? What is v? You know, right? U is what? X square. V is what? Just apply as it is. Oh. I wrote the other one here. This is also correct. But v u dash, u v dash. Sorry. Then v is what, man? E power x. That is it. As it is, I am writing. Okay. U dash. The same x square, but u dash. We have to derive this. Okay. So yes, d by dx of x square plus uv dash. What is u? X square d by dx of e power x. Now we can apply the formula for what? This part alone you have to apply the formula. Okay. Now what is that? E power x. This one, this gives us what? 2x. Yes, man, n into x power n minus 1. Remember that formula? Remember? Likewise here, derivative of e power x. X square as it is I am writing. Derivative of e power x, it is again derivative of e power x. See, this e power x is yourself only. What I said, differentiation means it's a rate of change. And I also said e power x is u. You will change or not? You won't change. Whether we differentiate, integrate, whatever we do, you won't change. E power x is like that. He is a member from your clan, maybe from your class. He won't change as it is derivative. Then here, any common things can be taken out, is e power x can be taken out. Then we have 2x plus x square. Got it? Now, the other example. X square cos x is f of x. Then we need to find f dash of x. Can you guess how to do this? Simple. X square derivative 2x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. No, why? If plus or minus in between, that means we may think of that. Okay. No, nothing is there. Product rule. What is product rule? U, V we have to select. Either one we can take. X square is U. This one is V. Mark this in pencil. Don't think that by U, by V. Okay. Then here, V U dash. V comes first. U dash plus U V dash. See, I am going to write this directly. Can you able to follow, or in this manner shall we write? Then we will write in this form. Okay. You are this much confident means surely you will confuse. First a few questions we will write like that. Okay. So V is what? Cos x. Okay. And d by dx of our U, x square, plus U is what? X square V dash, d by dx of cos x. Okay. Now what is our answer? Cos x, x square derivative, die. No, this cos x stays as it is. What? See, I told you, right? You are this much confident means surely will confuse. That is why cos x as it is, because this one only we are going to derive here. Derivative of this x square is what? 2x, that is it, plus this x square, do we need to derive? No, as it is, we'll keep this. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. When our question has c in it, we'll put minus. Is it? So here minus sin x. That is all. Now simplify this. We have 2x cos x plus minus x square sin x. That is it. Okay. And next, example 3. I want you to do this. Minus x square secant x is our f of x. Can you do it? See, don't think that minus is there, so sum or product rule. Is this in product or addition subtraction? Product only. This is like one term. Okay. Do this one and tell your answer. Make it fast. First finish writing all this. Okay. First finish writing all this and then work this out and tell your answers. Okay.